Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to save an email from your Gmail onto your Google Drive, and you can easily do this, right? So let me go ahead and show you. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome, yeah, and you want to access your email, right? Now once you're there guys, I'm going to just simplify any one of those emails. So let's use this one about handles, right? Now once you do that, just simply go ahead and click the print option here, and this will open up print, and you'll have the email here showing like you want to print it, but you want to go ahead and select the destination. I don't want to select a printer. You just want to click save as PDF. Right now, once you do that, go ahead and hit save, and this will allow you to save. So I'm going to go ahead and just click save right here. You can always rename the file to whatever you want, but as you saw there, I leave it as is. Now what you want to do, just simply go ahead and open up a new tab there, and you want to go ahead and open up your Google Apps here, and just go ahead and open up Drive. Now once you're here guys, all you have to do, just simply go ahead and click on My Drive, right? And if you have some folders, you'll be able to see those folders here. If you don't, you can easily create a folder, or you can simply drag and drop it here. In this case, I'm going to create a simple folder. So just right click here and click new folder, and we will just call this one test, right? Go ahead and click create. And once you go ahead and click create there, as you can see, the folder is created. I can open up that folder, and I can easily now find the file on my computer, which it is currently under downloads, and here is the file. So all I have to do now guys, is simply drag it here onto the browser, and as you saw that it is currently uploaded, and here is the file now currently uploaded into this new folder that I've created. Now, pretty easy stuff guys. So if I click on My Drive now, you see that I have the folder, and inside that folder this is the new file, and I can easily double click on it to view it, and this is the file, right? And this is how you can easily save an email as a PDF into your Google Drive from your Gmail. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.